Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, you see something over here, we're going to deal with that in a little bit. As I mentioned, we have tried Liquid Death on here before. It's been with the white box and the black box, and I'm not completely sure what the difference is. I think someone said one is sparkling and one's not. I've had like 3, I think. If the one in the closet in my bedroom is a white one, I will check and see what the difference is. But I will check that. Someone said there is a difference, and I'm going to check on that, or try to remember to check on that, see what the difference is. I know there's 2 different colored boxes for some reason, and now they have another one. They have Liquid Death. Check this out. That one's going to have to go up on the wall at some point. Yes, nice Day of the Dead look. Okay, yes, Liquid Death, sparkling water, mango chainsaw. And the cans are bigger too. So this is cool. Ooh. It's a gold can. I'm going to grab this so we can see how this tastes, and then we're going to try something. I haven't done this in a while. Make a cocktail on the channel. I'll save some of this because we're going to save it for later. You can smell the mango. Nice light taste. Very refreshing. And there's no information on that book. Oh, these are 19.2 ounce cans now. And they go rolling all out. Oops, sorry. It says, these ruthless tall boys of flavored sparkling water have a twisted plan to use natural agave and exploding bubbles to murder your thirst and recycle your soul. So we've got carbonated water, agave nectar, citric acid, natural flavor, which is mango and orange. So it's a mango, orange, and agave. So almost like a margarita flavor. It's that kind of thing. And it's got a thing on the left here for a hat, t-shirts, and a skull. So basically, I guess you can get merch if you scan the QR code. So that sounds interesting. Off the camera here. Oops. So these will last a little bit longer because they are tall boys. And if you recall on one of my holiday videos, I think it was New Year's Eve, I mixed a wine, I think, with this and made, well, actually with 2. I did a Pinot Noir with this and called it Death Noir. And then the other one, I think it was the Blackberry, and we called it Blackberry Death as opposed to Black Death. And I saved the recipes for those somewhere in my drawer over here inside the breakfast bar. So let's see if we can do something with this. Thinking of things to update you on. No new news at this time, although I am going to place an order with Calaveras Coffin Company. She's been having problems with people placing orders and not paying for them. So she's got some things sitting. I saw coffee mugs, that looked pretty cool. There were several that caught my eye. but there's one in particular that I'm going to order from her, and I'm going to do that as soon as we get done here. It's pumpkin spice, and I've got a lot of witchy themed coffee mugs, and I picked one that looks like it's got an exploded pumpkin, and it says pumpkin spice coffee in it, and it's got a little witch on the side. So that's going to be pretty cute. When I get that, I will show it to you. And let's see what we can do with mango habanero and mango chainsaw. Oops. Get about a shot in there. This is not good for what I'm doing because you can't see what I'm doing. Maybe if I put it on the cheese board from yesterday, maybe we can elevate. Nope, that's still. I need something here. I don't have anything high enough. Just a mixing bowl, and I don't think I'm going to do that. So we've got this, and we'll pour the mango chainsaw into the whiskey and keep the cat from stealing my house keys so I am not held captive in my apartment. Crazy girl. Mommy needs her keys. Sorry, I'm back. I should have paused it. No, do not mess with the water. You don't want that. Okay, let's give this a taste. Oh, sorry. She grabbed my finger and made me spill. It's actually pretty good. What would we call it? It's Liquid Death and Mango Habanero whiskey. Spicy chainsaw? I already used the word death from the Liquid Death with 2 other ones, so I need to be more creative. And I think there's already one called Skull Crusher. So we'll have to think on that. Maybe you can give me some suggestions. And back to the review for this. It delivers on the mango flavor. The mango, agave, and orange. It's lightly flavored, slightly sweet. Makes a good mixer for mango whiskey. It would probably be a good mixer for others as well. You would have to experiment with it and see what the mango will go with, because you don't want to. It won't overpower your drink because Liquid Death usually has no flavor. This one's got a light flavor, so you want to put it with something that it'll complement what you put it in, so that you can still taste it. This you can taste because it's the mango and the mango, and so you get the mango. You get basically the mango, the orange, and a little bit of the agave. And with the whiskey, it's not, it wouldn't, it's kind of like a margarita sort of, but not, because you don't have you have a little bit of orange from this, a little bit of mango from this, plus you have the mango in here and the habanero. So you've got fruit and whiskey and some soda and some sparkling water. So no, technically it wouldn't be a margarita. It'd be a whiskey and soda basically. because it's got a little bit of heat. Flaming chainsaw? Let me know what you think of that. How about flaming chainsaw? Because spicy chainsaw sounds kind of stupid. And I like to incorporate when I mix the liquid death with an alcohol. I like to incorporate this in the name so that you know what's going on. Mm. Definitely give this a try. I found it at Walmart. You should be able to find it at other grocery stores as well. I would do a Google search or a store search, but definitely, like I said, Walmart does have it. Yeah, this one's dented now because it fell out, but that's okay. Um, yeah, Pick and Save slash Kroger may have it. If you're in this part of the country where I'm living, Festival may have it. But again, Walmart definitely has it in the section where they have the waters. And I saw that like, oh wait, no, I'm sorry, I didn't get this at Walmart. I stand corrected. I got this at Pick and Save. So Pick and Save does have it. Walmart does have it also. So Walmart and Kroger do have it. And I think they had this with the seltzers. It's either with the seltzers or the waters. So Kroger to be in one of those two places. At Walmart, it'll be with the water. So there you have it. I like it. It's definitely a hit. Any liquid death is up on there. It's my go-to water now. If I want sparkling water, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. It's worth it for the artwork. I now have had three different types. Now I've had the white box, the black box, and the gold. And I love it. It's refreshing. It is water, but the little bit of sparkle to it is nice. It doesn't have that minerally taste like Perrier or some of those other ones. It's almost like a distilled sparkling water because it doesn't have the mineral or metallic taste to it. It's just tastes like water with bubbles. And if you're trying to cut back on calories, because I was trying to get flavored seltzers instead of sodas, it's 90 calories. I think it said. Let me check that again. Oh, oh 20 calories. That's even better. So it's only 20 calories with the flavor. And flavored seltzers will vary on calorie count depending on what's in them and whether or not they're sweetened. So let's see. Okay, I've already given you the rundown. So bigger cans mixes well with a mango whiskey. Might mix up well with other southwestern fruit flavors. Um, Coconut, maybe. Coconut rum might be nice. Pineapple rum. Um, any of those like any tropical flavored. They go well with any tropical flavored rum, vodka, etc. You know, it'll pair nicely with those. If you're into wine spritzers, I would say um, a white wine. It would go well with a white wine or a rosé. Then it'll be kind of like not like a sangria, but it'll add a little extra dimension to the flavor of the wine, give it a little mango. That was kind of fun. So, if you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, go ahead and subscribe. To do that, if you're new, you hit the bell once. If you want notifications so you can stay up to date on what kind of crazy stuff I do, because I do everything from snacks to drinks to clothing, excuse me, housewares. But I've slowed down on the housewares because I've already explained that. Excuse me. So, but we will get back into that at some point. Yeah, anything pretty much goth on a budget, anything with a spooky theme or things that are odd, you'll see them here. Periodically, I will do hot and spicy things like I did with this hot sauce, spicy liquor, spicy food, hot sauce, spicy snacks, imported snacks, unusual things, Van Leeuwen's ice cream because, well, they're just weird and I love them. Things like that. So there's a little bit of everything here. So if you want unusual snacks, drinks, outfit ideas, some DIYs, some decor, you won't see in this apartment because, like I said, that got gutted. But my videos are still here though. If you want to see what I did with my other place, check those out. It'll be in the library. You can still use the idea. Feel free to use the ideas. The ideas are still there. They're just not in play at this time at this particular place because once again I'm in limbo. So, that pretty much wraps everything up. I will let you guys go. Stay tuned. Halloween will be coming soon. And as soon as I can get out and go shopping when the weather's warm, I will walk to St. Vinny's. And it might be a bit of a walk, but with a little bit of 100 SPF and possibly another umbrella, I might endeavor to walk to Kohl's because it is practically in my backyard. I just have to take the long way around to get there. So stay tuned for that. I've got a Zulily order coming, some shoes. Like I said, I'm getting ready to place an order with Calaveras Coffin Company for a mug. It's late. St. Patty's Day themed coffees are coming from Expedition Roasters. So basically, we've got shoes, coffee, and a mug coming. So stay tuned for those. You'll see those here as well. The monster wants to say hi because she's lonely. She's had to be home all by herself. Yeah, there she is. Miss Stitch. Yeah, you see yourself in the camera? You don't look impressed. So, anyway, Stitch says hi, and we'll let you guys go. Again, don't drag and drive. Let the other monsters drive the hearse. And give the DD a turn if they want. I'll let you guys go. See you in the next video. Bye now.